So, you guys good, huh?你哋聽什麼語言呢？我識少少廣東話，一點點的國語。Well, my native tongue is actually English. Fair enough. We're in the USA. Are we not? Well, it's my first time in Barclays, at the Barclays Center, so I'm pretty... Is that your first time too? First time. Good for you. It's always the first time. Go for me too. Yeah. Oh, big fine right. Very well. I feel very good. Pretty good, huh? So that's the end of the show. Yes. It's very odd, isn't it? But I really appreciate you guys, going get those. I know they're pretty expensive. I know. I love you all for that, really. Yeah, I really do. Thank you so much. I don't know why. It only happens in America. Seriously, I'm not joking. Well, Canada is more expensive. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do in Toronto is like the start of the show. I'm just gonna like kneel down and for like 5 minutes, and then it's hard to joke these days. I'm glad you laugh at what I'm saying. It's hard to be funny, is it? No? Well, that's why. 所以你哋就係搬嚟呢度啊 I know, it's been uptight back there. 咩話？我唔係優褲啊！哦，係啊，即係瘦咗。我驚佢跌啊！好啖好食啊！嗰啲熱狗啊、burger 啊咁啊。我係好中意食唐餐嘅，但係我頭先都食咗個，唔係仲壞晒喺香港。香港嗰啲粉咧，嗰啲牛咧係用 Wagyu beef 嘅，知唔知啊？But it's not cheap here. No, I had pho. Is that how you say it? I had pho. 呢個係泰國喎 ，sorry。ขอบคุณครับ食咗碗粉咩西貢 whatever. Yeah, it's expensive. There's 7 of us, 7 people. We had 1 pho each, and then there's a spring roll, which 4 rolls about that long. So we cut in half. No, not that long. Yeah, spring roll, and then another something rolls, and then the crab cake, and then 3 broccoli, which is about that big. Oh, Lord. $270. Tell me, am I being ripped off?
Yeah.
No. 佢哋肯定唔認得我係邊個嘅喎。佢望我同個女仔望咗好多次。We looked at each other so many times, and it's like, what are you doing? It's expensive, 200幾蚊美金啊！嚇？
我哋要食啲我都
So I really 真係好多謝你哋可以留翻咁多錢去睇呢個 show。Thank you。
歌呗。我希望你哋滿意呢個 show。
It's pretty much the same as Hong Kong, same as anywhere. The Singapore one, the Malaysian one, the Taiwanese one, but I think, it's a bit small here. Yeah, pretty much the same though. How's the sound? It sounds good? Well, you sounded good, yeah. I can hear you. 頭先有隻咩好久不見係嘛? You guys singing?
Yeah.
You should have said that earlier. You should have do that earlier. Then I'll just like. Yeah, but then like you guys go, oh, we pay so much. I know. I'm sorry. 咩事 ？OK， 冇㗎啦，因為今日咧，我要講清楚係外國。It's not the end of the show. There's one more like massive reprise, the medley of the whole show. You know, do you understand? I presume you do understand what Fear and Dreams is about. Okay, you don't care, right? Nor do I. I don't care. I just get paid and sing, right? I see. 我見到好多靚人啊，今日其實 It's pretty good. 幾好啊，我覺得真係好好靚啊，男仔女仔都靚，梗有啲身材衣神石達，咁係咩意思 ？Oh, it's a guy. Well, it's okay. I don't care. 就咁先咯。哇，真係㗎！哇，你睇真嘅真係 ，so open。嚟㗎！哎呀，唔怪之咁多彩虹嗰啲。你係嗰條街我都見到，哇，有好多彩虹啊，有好多嗰啲好多味道啊，喺紐約。好開放啊！你哋好啦，幾好 ，very good。咁我哋不如咁啊，頭先見到你哋全部唔係好喐喎。That's a big head of mine. Where did you get that? Wow. And you're wearing 10幾年前嗰 T-shirt as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're a true fan. Also man, huh? I know. I'm used to only male screaming at me. No lady. I know. It is because I have. 哎呀，真係慘啊！真係。喂 ，OK， you can stay where you are 嚇 ，no worry. You want me to sign on my own face？ 唔好啦，已經夠核突㗎啦，個樣唔好再整核突啲。It's hard to. Thank you. It's hard. 你翻去放飛鏢啦，可以。Thank you。我的快樂時代做咩？即係要我唱係嘛？ It's not the end of the show yet. Okay, I'm not. It's no time to talk because they're gonna like kick us out at 11 sharp. They have a union there. 係啊，冇辦法啦。I know. I want to stay until 5 a.m. We cannot do anything. We are little yellow people. Scared of Okay, let's do some dancing because why am I saying dancing? I'm from England. Dancing. Let's do some dancing. Are you ready? I don't care if you're allowed or not to stand up. You are. Let's do it! 作多令我很